Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to show you my finished dorm room. It turned out super cute, so let's get right on into it. Okay, so over here we have the front door and a little mirror. Here is my closet. It's like color coded, and then I have my shoes right there, and then I have these, which actually holds a ton of clothes, and I just have my laundry basket right there. Up here we have some storage, and then that's like my shower stuff. Here's my roommate's closet. Hers is also color coded. It's a little messy, but we love her for that. Here's my desk. I have my jewelry, I have my makeup mirror, I have all of my products in this little basket. I have some tea I was drinking before, some hand sanitizer, our masks and keys just hang right here. And then I have some notebooks. There's my schedule so I don't forget to go to any classes. I have this little lemon tree makeup brushes, I have my scissors, mascara, pens and everything. This little scrunchie holder my friends gave me. It's a little cat. It's so cute. Just my laptop and chair. I won't show you her desk, but above them we have this picture with some green and pink, and then we have this map and some butterfly stickers. That big one. We had another one over there, but it fell down. And then we have some vines above it. And then we have this little doormat. It says Bon Appetit. My roommate Emily got it, and I just think it is so cute and funny. In our closets, we have this little living room, bedroom space. Here's my side. I have my leaves and then also lights on there. And then over here I also have my other plant. It's a little wilted just because it spent so much time in my car overnight and everything, but it's getting so much better and it just looks so cute as a little hanging plant right by our couch. And then I just have my bed with all my throw pillows. And then I have my mirror with my moon and star shapes. And then I have this little throw blanket and my comforter. Below it we have the futon, some pillows. We have a lot of storage. We have these boxes under here. They go too deep. And then we just have that little throw blanket. Over here is our trash and recycling. And then we have our little food cart with our little Keurig and everything like that on it. And then I have this little storage bin. It holds a lot of my extra stuff. And then we have this super cool little table. We have our perfumes and stuff on top of it, and it holds blankets in it, which is super nice. Here's that huge rug that we had from before. It fits so perfectly. And then here's our heat. Here's a little artwork that my neighbor made for me of my cat, and I just thought it was so fun and cute, so I brought it with. Here we have our view of our campus. It's probably one of the prettiest campuses I've ever been on, so you can't really tell from here, but it is super beautiful. I have my little side table and it charges my phone and everything, which is super nice. And then above the window we have all of these pictures of me and my friends, and then my cats are over here, and I have pictures with my roommate as well. And then over here we just have our TV, we have our microwave, our refrigerator with marble contact paper on it. When we were transporting it, we put it into this little trolley thing, and it totally ripped up parts of the contact paper, which I'm super sad about, but it still looks cute. I have this little snake plant right here, our TV. Emily brought this picture. It's from HomeGoods. It is so funny. I love the little royal cat and royal rat on it. Then we have a picture of us. We have our essential oil diffusers, some books. She really likes reading. And then we have these little white storage bins, which are super nice to hide all of our stuff. We have just our paper straws and everything. This one has all of our dishes in it. This one has our cleaning supplies and extra chips and stuff. This one has more cleaning supplies. This one has all of our extra medicine and things like that. And then this one has just some water bottles, stuff for our water cooler, and then a lint roller, essential oils, stuff like that. I also have this pink fan from HomeGoods, and it's actually so powerful and is so nice at cooling us off when it's a little hot. And we do have AC, which is super nice, and a lot of the dorms here don't have that, but ours happens to. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I really hope you did enjoy it. Make sure to check out the rest of my dorm series. You can see me planning this room, shopping for it, packing, and everything else like that. So make sure to check that out if you haven't watched them already. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite part of the room is. And also make sure to subscribe if you want to see more. Bye!